Welcome to the Youth STEM Award, a skills-based, STEM-focused award designed to support and inspire young people to explore STEM. The Youth STEM Award enhances outreach activities, builds students' confidence, showcases their skills development, and provides a sense of achievement for participants. When schools register for the award, they must assign an award coordinator. This is a member of staff, usually a teacher of one of the STEM subjects, though it doesn't have to be. The purpose of a coordinator is to act as the main point of contact for participants and to oversee their students' progress. Once the school or college has been registered for the award, the coordinator will receive a welcome email. Open the email and follow the link to set up your account. You will then be able to log in to the YSA ePortfolio. If you have not received your email, check your junk folder first, as it could be automatically filtered out. If you can't find it, go to the Youth STEM Award website, click to log in and select Forgot My Password. This will automatically resend the welcome email. If it still hasn't arrived, contact us by email. Once you've logged in, you'll find various tabs on your dashboard which you can click to expand. The first tab contains information about your participants. The Activity Moderation tab is where you'll find the activities that have been submitted by your group that are awaiting your approval. Under Award Submissions, you will find those who have finished their awards and are awaiting your review. The HQ and Partners Opportunities tab is where you'll find various STEM opportunities uploaded by YSA and their partners. One of the first things to decide is who is going to be in your cohort. So why not give a short presentation during a school assembly to tell them about the award and find out which students are interested. We've created a launch slide deck which you can download for free from the Youth STEM Award website. To register your participants, log in and open the Your Participants tab and select the group you'd like to add them to. A window will pop up detailing the number of credits you have and the participants in your cohort if you have any already. Towards the bottom right, you'll be given the option to add new participants. Here you will need to upload the participants' information. This can be achieved by either filling in the form for each participant individually or by uploading a spreadsheet containing information for all of your participants. If you don't add a date of birth for your participants, you'll be prompted to confirm that they are over 13. If they're under 13, you'll need to confirm that you've got parental consent to add their details to the ePortfolio. Once you've added the details of your participants, they'll automatically receive an email from the Youth STEM Award with instructions on how to sign into the ePortfolio. Only once they've done this will they be able to start their award journey by logging their first activity. We recommend gathering your participants together for an initial launch meeting. You can explain how the Youth STEM Award works and what is required for them to achieve their award. There are also instructional videos on how to use the ePortfolio and submit activities. To achieve their award, your students will need to take part in STEM activities and submit them for moderation. It's up to you as their coordinator to decide how much help to give your participants in planning out their activities. You may suggest they work together in small groups to think of activities they could do in order to complete each strand. Activities must be extracurricular and involve STEM. Attending field trips, volunteering at open days and other activities that occur outside of the classroom but inside of school can count. Activities should align with one of the 4 core YSA strands, which each have their own criteria. These are listed in the ePortfolio and on the website. It's a good idea to refer to these when reviewing activities to make sure that they have logged the activity in the right strand. Often you'll simply accept an activity and may provide feedback on how they've done, but you might occasionally decline an activity if it's unsuitable and provide constructive feedback as to where the young person's gone wrong. Perhaps they've simply logged it in the wrong strand. If you have many activities to moderate, you can save time by right-clicking your mouse to open multiple activities at a time in New tabs. Coordinators can also create pre-approved activities, which can be useful when multiple participants take part in the same event, such as for a trip or workshop. In your dashboard, expand the Your Opportunities section and click Add Opportunity. Enter the details about the group event, including the date, duration, and a description. Select the appropriate strand and areas of STEM involved. Next, select the group you wish to show it to and apply filters if needed. Return to the Your Opportunities section and double-click to open the opportunity you've just created. Then click Convert to an activity for multiple participants. Select all those who took part. The activity will now appear in their portfolios without the need for moderation. You can use the filters to show opportunities in the past if the opportunity has already taken place. Returning to the Your Participants tab at the top of your dashboard, you are able to monitor your Participants Award progress. Clicking on your group will display all of the members of your cohort, when they last logged in, and the percentage of the award they have completed. For more details on the progress of an individual participant, click on their name to view their e-portfolio in full. When a participant has completed all the strands and hours required for their award, they will submit their e-portfolio for review. This will appear in the Award Submissions tab on your dashboard. Click through each strand using their respective checklists to ensure all the requirements have been fulfilled. Approving an award will send it to the YSA HQ for final review. Once their award submission has been approved by both coordinator and YSA HQ, coordinators need to complete the medal submission form. We send this out twice a year to coordinators, but you can request it any time. You can order YSA branded pin badges and pens for your group as a memento and to encourage participation. At any time, use the educator's order form to increase the size of your group by requesting extra credits, or let us know if a participant wishes to upgrade to the next award level. If you need any guidance or have any queries, get in touch. We're always happy to help.
Visit our website to register as an independent participant or as an educator on behalf of your school or college. Download the Participants Handbook for a step-by-step guide on the award process and take the first step towards achieving your Youth STEM Award today.